going through Dagupan City on our way to SM Mall. Just finished up with the immigration, and yeah, we're gonna run around town and just kind of see what kind of trouble we can find. That's my wife and the trike in front of us. We have to go separate trikes during, during this crisis. So we cannot ride in the same trike. Those are the rules. Okay, here we are. SM Center, Dagupan. Alright, we'll catch you inside. Okay, we're inside SM in Dagupan. It's not a really big mall, but it has a Jollibee. Huh? And a hypermarket. I guess that's the SM grocery store. What's this Zark's Burger? Let's kind of do a quick stroll through here. I'll show you what's in here. I'll tell you about the best thing that's we got going for us right now in this mall is the air conditioning. It kind of sucks because we have to wear not only face masks but face shields. So check this out. Hon, hi. That's our face. Oh yeah.
My new collection for COVID.
And here I am.
New collection from COVID.
Yeah, we look pretty smooth, don't we? Yeah, we're making fashion statements here. All right. Check this out. There's even social distancing on the escalator. Let me see. There's footsteps, yellow footprints. Okay, stand there. And the next person has to stand in those footsteps, those footprints, I'd rather, up there. And yeah, and here's mine. Okay, second floor, SM Appliances. Classic Savory. David's Salon. That's where Eden gets her hair done. Not this one, but she hasn't been to this one yet, but I'm sure we'll be here eventually. Anyways, what else we got? Okay, we'll pick this up in a second. Okay, we just made it out of the bathroom, and I wanted to see if anybody notices anything different, like as in what's playing on the intercom. That's right, it's September 1st. September 1st marks the beginning of Christmas season in the Philippines. That means Christmas music has begun. And it won't stop until probably after December 31st. Until New Year's. Yeah, until New Year's. So this is what we got to look forward to for the next, let me see, September, October, November, December, 4 months. 4 months of Christmas season. This is called the Macau Imperial Tea. Whatever that is. I don't know, we're just walking in circles until we find. So once again, we're on the second floor of the SM Mall here in Dagupan City. Point and Grill. It looks pretty nice. Classic Savory. Back to David's. We'll keep. Okay. SM Appliance. I know we were just here, so I'll circle around. Ace Hardware. All kinds of good stuff here.
You want to go inside?
Maybe later. Watson's. Crispy crust empanada. Alright. Music gallery. Blue Magic. Photo line. Bookstore. Go inside here and get your Tagalog dictionary, so you can learn Tagalog. Port Central. The Loop. Senso. And this is kind of like a little corner section. And to the sports. Let's go to the Surplus. We're gonna go to this place called the Surplus store. We were in here last time and they had some pretty good deals. And they also had what we were looking for, so we're gonna go ahead and visit that store once again. Right over here where this guard is standing. Anyways, we're gonna go inside this store and we'll be back in a few. Okay, we just walked out of the mall. Yeah, there wasn't really much going on in there. So anyways, onward bound through Dagupan City. Never really got out and walked around too much in this town, so it's something different, a little bit of different scenery. SM hypermarket. Other than being outside the SM mall, I really don't know where the hell I'm at in Dagupan. We're just kind of walking around, shooting from the hip, I guess. There we go, Fernandez Avenue. All right, yeah, let's go. We're still in search of a place to eat. If we don't find something quick, we're gonna end up in that Jollibee. Kind of getting tired of Jollibee though, but oh well. Guess when you're hungry, you're not gonna be too picky. So, all right, we'll catch up with you in a few. Okay. Anyways, we're just wandering about. Not really sure where we're going. I guess we're looking for the city mall now. It's still early, so we have plenty of time to get lost and try to find our way around. Yes. What's that? Huh?
What is the inside there?
Asada Center? Not really sure, hon. I don't know what that is. All right, we'll be back as soon as we figure out what the hell we're doing. Talk to you in a few. Okay, here we are again in a tricycle. Going where? I have no idea. I guess we'll find out when we get there. It's just going everywhere, really. It's pretty fun though. say BHF Plaza. I guess we're here. How about here? Alright, so we are now at City Mall. So let us get in here and we'll be back in a few. Okay, we decided to hightail it out of Dagupan City and get back here to Alamino City. It was just a oh wow, nice. Look at that. Yeah, we probably would have stayed longer, but you know, having to wear these face masks and face shields out in this tropical heat, it just becomes too unbearable too quickly. So, you know, it's kind of like one of those things where when the cost of going out outweighs the benefit, and it's best just to go stay home. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna probably head home and take off all this stuff so we can actually breathe. So, but anyways, thanks for coming along. Be safe, be kind to one another, be cool, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, thanks. Bye.